the moment we all have been waiting for. It is our pleasure to announce the prize distribution ceremony, honoring the outstanding achievements of our students. With a great excitement, we present the highlight of our event, prize distribution ceremony. This is a celebration of excellence, hard work, and dedication. It is our privilege to recognize and reward the exceptional talents and accomplishments of our students.
We are It is our pleasure to invite Mrs. Madhavi and Mrs. Sarita to the stage, who will announce the winners of our prestigious awards and recognize their outstanding achievements. We are proud to acknowledge their contribution. Let's begin the award ceremony. Ma'am, please.
Good evening,
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
As we gather here to honor our awardees, let us remember that excellence is not just a destination, but a journey of hard work, perseverance, and passion.
Today, we acknowledge the commitment to excellence that define our winners.
We find immense pleasure to invite our chief guests, Mosmi Chaugule ma'am and Reverend Father Tom Mangalathil, President Sangli Mission Society,
Our school manager, Reverend Father Justin Thomas, Principal, Reverend Father Mijo Jose, and Vice Principal, Reverend Sister Joel, to the stage with a warm round of applause.
The first category of award goes to the topper of SSC board exam of the academic year 2023-24. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome the star of the show, our SSC topper.
Yes, it's Miss Chaitra Satish Patil with 96.4%. With dedication, hard work, and a passion for learning, made her earn the top spot in 10th standard.
And she's the topper of SSC.
Well done, Chaitra. Hearty congratulations, Chaitra. Please, audience, please put your hands together.
We shall now go ahead with Proficiency Awards for Academic Excellence, wherein we recognize the students who demonstrated exceptional scholastic prowess in their respective classes for the academic year 2023-24. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our high-achieving students who will now be receiving the awards on the stage.
Please put your hands together as we invite Proficiency Award achievers.
From LKG, we have Arvika Ronit Saulani. From UKG, we have Khushi Alaz Pranjwani.
From first standard, we have Srinika Vishal Chikalge. From standard third, we have Jonathan Pradeep Thorat.
From second standard, we have Pearl Dheeraj Davra.
From fourth standard, we have Vidhan Sarveshwar Khabani.
From fifth standard, we have O.V. Chandan Shetsare.
From standard 6, we have Shanaya Prashant Kamble.
Vasudev Soni. And from 9th standard, we have Kalashri Sachin Joshi. Dear students, your outstanding achievements is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Congratulations to all the students.
It's my pleasure to announce our cultural championship, an individual that has showcased exceptional talent with remarkable fair and friends and cultural excellence. We welcome the following students to receive the award.
Kiddies section Culture Championship Award goes to Myra Kiran Narde, Yellow House.
From Sub-Junior section, Cultural Championship Award goes to Rayan Swapnil Raut, Yellow House.
Junior section Cultural Championship Award goes to Sanvi Raghvendra, Shanbag, Blue House.
And from Senior section, Cultural Championship Award goes to Shreya Sachin Joshi, Red House, and Kalashri Sachin Joshi, Blue House.
Let us express our heartfelt appreciation and admiration for their outstanding achievements with a resounding round of applause.
El ritmo de las noches para bailar. El ritmo de las noches para bailar.
Dear audience, please give a big round of applause.
El ritmo de las noches para
Success
bailar.
is not just reaching the finishing line, but about the journey itself. It's time to recognize the athletic achievements of our talented students. Please join us in presenting the Sports Championship Awards.
Kiddies section Boys Championship Award goes to Arav Ravikant Patil, Red House.
Girls Championship Award goes to Anshita Shantilal Musle, Yellow House.
Sub-Junior Boys Championship Award goes to Tanmay Umesh Salgar, Green House.
Para bailar. El ritmo de las noches para bailar.
Girls Championship Award goes to Sanskruti Sandeep Dature, Green House.
Noches para bailar.
Junior Boys Championship Award goes to Samarth Avinash Khade, Red House.
Girls Championship Award goes to Angel Devdan Javir, Red House.
Senior Boys Championship Award goes to Amey Srinivas Patil, Green House.
Noches para bailar. El ritmo de las noches para bailar. El ritmo
Senior
de las
Girls Championship Award goes to Vanshita Vijay Kumar Jong, Yellow House.
para bailar.
Dear award holders, you have set a shining example for others to follow. We are proud to recognize your excellence. Congratulations to all the students.
Now, we are privileged to proclaim the victories of Inter-House Sports Championship. After a series of thrilling competitions and display of remarkable skills, the Alphonsians were competing with each other to come to this moment to be there on the stage. Can you guess which house will be the champions for the year 2024-25?
Let it be a suspense with us. Shall we start with the runner-up? The second runner-up is Green House with 1,688 points. We applaud your efforts and achievements. I welcome Captain Amey Srinivas and Miss Ishita Sachin Pote and in-charge teachers on the stage to accept the award. It's Green House.
Congratulations, Green House. The audience, kindly join us in according a thunderous applause to our esteemed winners. Now, whom shall we announce next? Second runner-up or the winner?
Of course, the second runner-up. The second place trophy goes to Yellow House with a commendable 1,702 points. We recognize your hard work and dedication.
I request Yellow House Captain Master Atharva Devanand Janvekar, Ms. Palak Krishna Gopal Bajaj and the in-charge teachers to please come on the stage and accept the trophy.
Congratulations, Yellow House. Let us accord with a fervent appreciation by bringing your hands together. Dear audience, please bring your hands together.
Now it's the time to announce the champion house for the year 2024-25. And do you have any guess? It goes to audience, anybody? Shall we break the suspense? With remarkable 1,762 points, yes, it's the Red House.
Red House.
I request Red House Captain, Master Samar Sachin Kamble, Ms. Janesha Amal Kothari and in-charge teachers to come on the stage to accept the trophy. Congratulations, Red House.
Sarita ma'am, shall we announce the points of all four houses once again?
Yes, here are the points. Red House with 1,762 points.
Yellow House with 1,702 points.
Green House with 1,688 points.
And Blue House with 1,522 points. With this, we come to end of the awards. I thank all the dignitaries for doing the honors.
I kindly request our esteemed dignitaries to take your seats, and I appreciate your presence and am grateful for your participation.